David at PowerFlow, and we're going through all the different test modes available in the new PowerFlow 3 with PowerFlow. From your main startup screen to cycle through the test modes, you'll do long presses on the speaker button, and we're looking for this last one. Now you can see this plus minus sign flashing in the corner, and there's some number on the display. Tapping the speaker button will change that number. So you got 0.2, 0.5, 1.0, 2.0, 5.0, 10.0, and 50. This is a voltage setting, and it works conjunction with the previous mode we talked about, the peak-to-peak mode. Now, if I know I'm looking for like an AC voltage, or I'm testing things like a wheel speed sensor or something like that, I can set this setting low. I'll tap it. I'm going to set it at 0.2. Then I hold the button down again for a long press. It goes back to my main testing mode. Now when I probe any kind of pulsed or AC circuit, it's going to do two things. It automatically kicked over to that peak-to-peak mode. There's my 5-volt peak-to-peak number, and it enabled the speaker so you can actually hear that signal that that sensor is putting out. This has been a fantastic quick test for me for things like wheel sensors, cam sensors, speed sensors, that kind of thing. So that is the AC threshold setting in the PowerFlow 3 with PowerFlow.